Define general ledger account group. A transaction code would be OBD4. So let's start. We'll put transaction code over here, OBD4, enter. Click on new entry. After clicking new entry, we will select our chart of account, which is COA2. Just click it and it will reflect over here. Account group would be like on which account group we want to put the details. So first account group would be current assets. We will give the short description over here. Name would be current assets. From, we will give some number 1 to 1000. It means there can be 1000 current assets. We'll take same chart of accounts, COA2. Next would be current liabilities. Current liabilities from 1001 to 2000. Then fixed assets. 2001 to 3000. COA2. Now direct income. So DI would be the short description. Direct income. $3,001 to 4,000. COA2. Direct expenses. It would be 4001 to 5000. Indirect expenses. Sorry, we will take first indirect income. From 5001 to 6000. It is a number range. Indirect expenses. $6,001 to 7,000. The last one would be capital. So under the capital we can put share capital, preference share capital, debentures. All the capital would come under this group. So the chart of general ledger account group has been created. Now save it. Mistakenly guys, we put this COAP. We'll change it. We need to go through with all COA2. Okay, now enter and save this. It's working slow, so this is why it is taking some time. Data was saved. You can see after creating general ledger accounting group, we will create we will define balance carry forward, which is retained earnings. So the transaction code would be OB53. Compiling. After compiling, we will see the window will pop up. We will select our chart of account, which is COA2. This one, and check this one. Fill the detail over here. X and Y for the account. For P&L statement, it would be X. So why we taking this? Okay, because there was no entry. This is why we are getting this. The system cannot display possible entries here. So we are doing the entries over here. Enter and save this. Account key, why not created in the chart of account? Okay. We'll check the error message. You need to skip this error guys, because it just show a warning message, but we need to enter and check this one. Changes have been made. You can see P&L statement created as X and account is Y. Now you can see the view and setting, that how we configure and what we have been configured so far. So the transaction code is OBY6. From position, take your company code, which is A100, and this is the company. So you can see the configuration, that whatever job you have been done so far, it will show you over here. So the company code is A100, currency, your company name, your language key, your chart of account, which was COA2, which one just created in the past video, your country chart of account, your company, FM area, and your fiscal year variant A3. Guys, we have been created A3 because it is the training tutorial software and it is not taking V3, but this is why we have been taken A3. However, it should be V3, uh, and the failed status variant is A2MC, and the posting period variant is A2S. So This is how it look like. Nothing is here. But you can see that all the variant you have given to the various activities. So in the next, thank you guys, and next video I'll tell you how to create general ledger account. So thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe this if you like the video. If you have any query, please comment us and share your feedback. Please share this video to your friends whosoever want to learn SAP FI module. So this will be helpful for them. Thank you guys.